Good morning, a wonderful start into the day for everyone. And this is the final video of my morning routine for this season. It's day 30. Day 30 means 30 days done, habit built, and I invite you today for a wonderful final practice of playing and resting. And before we start, I just want to warmly invite you to the workshop I'm hosting on Monday that is all about starting the year right. And if that resonates, just sign up. I think we will have a wonderful co-created space to get clear on this year, take the learnings and put a wonderful deep intention and the right mindset to start 2021 in the best way possible, make it the most impactful year ahead. And now we transition into playing and resting. And this is really a theme that became very significant for me these days, because I still notice, now it's 1 year out of corporate life, and I still notice those patterns when I start taking life really seriously. And it's not just about like work I want to do, I think I need to do, and suddenly it's like, but I need to do this, else I cannot enjoy my day, I cannot have a break, but I need to enjoy, need to do this, right? That's what I notice. And at the same time, I notice the seriousness of life. I also have it in my normal things, of life. So I go for a dinner with my friend and I need to be there at exact time and this minute, and else I'm not fulfilling my good commitments as a friend. And I notice this self-talk. And I feel that there is a big thing to shift. And if I notice that still now, after 1 year being completely out and deconditioning my mind, I believe, and I know it from my friends and family, it's still within our heads and our normal lives a lot there. And I just want to put awareness to that. It's also living a life of play and rest as a commitment of the 15 commitments of conscious leadership. And it's so an eye-opener to see also the research behind how important it is to rest, how important it is to see life as a game, as playful and not so serious. And there we are here today in this morning routine, practicing together how we can be more playful on our day-to-day and how we can rest more. And to not have that also as a serious topic. Now I need to play and rest, but actually to have fun in this and see this routine now also as a playful and resting way. I just want to invite you to practice a little meditation together of true rest. Because also we think, I take a break and let me scroll on social media. Let me answer my WhatsApp messages. Let keep my mind busy. I can still do something else in my break. Let me call this person, or watch the TV or watch Netflix, But is this true rest? Is this really restoring your energy? Just think about it, because there's of course a lot of research that shows that this is not resting, and it actually keeps our head in an aroused state of mind. So how can we slow down and really give the body the deserved rest it needs? And my favorite tools that are true rest, right? Like that is not a distraction. I think that's the distinction. Is it a distraction or is it true rest? Or meditation, breathing, sleeping, napping, walking in nature but without doing anything, dancing, right? Those kind of things. And And suddenly everything slows down and we arrive in our body. And that's what I want to give to us in this morning routine. And after practicing the meditation, we will dive a little into what it means to live a life of play. Because of course, life should not just be on a meditative side, right? And that we are meditating all day and sleeping. No, we are here to create. We are the creator of our lives. But how would it be if life would not be serious, but we could just simply play in everything? In the work we do, in the relationships we have, in anything, we just see it as a game, as playful, it's joyful, funny. And that's where the second part of this morning routine goes into. So let's find a couple of minutes of a restful meditation and really calm our system down. Sitting, lying, standing, however you are right now in this moment, just become really aware and present of your body. Feel into your legs, sense them. Maybe there's some itching, some tension, maybe there's a lot of strength. Just sense how your legs feel today. Whenever thoughts come, let them pass. And come back to your legs and my voice with compassion and self-appreciation. And now move your attention more up to your sitting bones, to your lower belly, and just arrive here in your base of your body, deeply rooted to where you're sitting or laying. Just feel your sitting bones rooting in the ground. And notice any tension that is still there, and give yourself permission to relax it. And breathe into it, let it go, breathing out. And move more up with your awareness now into your whole belly, feeling your belly from your solar plexus down. Feel inside your stomach, your intestines. Just notice how everything feels there. Your belly muscles, your core, and also here. Just let your breath flow through you and relax. And more move upward now into your whole heart space. Feel your chest, breathe just into your chest, into your heart. And move more up now into your whole head space, your throat, and arrive also there in your body. Feel your arms. Really sense the whole body in all its elements, all its little cells, all its muscles, all its organs, with every single part of it. Just notice it. How does it feel today? And now let's just rest for a couple of breaths before we close. Just in this deep, aware state of being in the body. And just observe your breath. And when thoughts come, just pay your attention on the gaps between the thoughts. The gaps between the sounds, always the gaps. Where is the silence? Can you focus on the silence? With that, I just invite us for a couple of silent breaths. And then slowly we can move again and come back here in this moment here and now together. Yes, be grateful for yourself. You showed up, you really rested, you gave yourself a gift of a couple of minutes of rest. Maybe you feel already the shift inside of your cells, inside of your body. And now let's talk about play. Because it's a balance, it's the game, right? Of playing, resting, playing, resting. So how can we play more? Take less serious and play more. And that's my invitation to look into your life. How can you notice when you take it seriously? And how can you invite play into it? And play does not just mean making jokes about it. It also means jokes, and humor is a wonderful tool to play. And it also means just dancing about it, moving your body around it, really changing. You know, when we're serious, we are like in this mode. So maybe changing the body posture around it and just like, yeah, how can it be more flowy? Another thing of shifting from seriousness to more playfulness in our creation is observing where the serious feeling is in our body. And you feel when we take life seriously, there's tension. There's often in our belly or here in our back. Just observe. And then how can I let go of this tension? Breathing into that tension. Moving that tension. So it can be going again into the flow of life, right? And then also imagining, what if my life would be a soap opera or a movie? Which actress would I be, or which actor would I be? Or if I would be Superman, how would Superman react right now? Play this character game. It's so much fun, and it enriches us to see life from a different perspective. And it's really not just about our personal lives, and at work we need to be serious. No, why? You know yourself. The most productive and really results you create at work when it's fun, when it's flowing. And fun can just be with play. Cannot be in the seriousness. You even see it in your face. So how can you invite play more into your life? And I know you maybe hear that and you're like, please show me that checklist so I can invite more play. And I will do exactly not that. Because there's no checklist. Play and games of life don't have a checklist. They don't have a preset rules of activity. No, that's about you. Live into the question, how can I invite more playfulness into my life? How can I make life more playful? And with that, I wish you a wonderful, beautiful day. Live into that. Two pieces of the equation. How can I let my life be more playful? And how can I rest, restore my energy in an effective way that is true rest and no distraction? So that balance is exactly that. Play and rest. And if you feel like you want to invest some playful resting time into the kickstart of your year, then I invite you for the workshop on Monday. You find everything below. I would love to see you there. Bye bye. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.